At number 20, our first couple to take the plunge were 20-year-old Nikki Hilton and her businessman beau, Todd Meister. Just over a month later, on November 9th, 2004, the marriage ended. The couple's reps released a joint statement saying the two remained good friends.
An annulment is when you say there's no marriage at all. So whereas a divorce, you're dissolving the marriage, meaning you're getting rid of a legal thing. An annulment is the legal thing never existed.
I mean, to be honest, they could both do better.
From party princess to Hollywood royalty, number 19 tracks the backtracks of Elizabeth Taylor. The film icons wed in 1964, just 9 days after Elizabeth's divorce from Eddie Fisher became final.
What's more doomed than Hollywood marriages are Hollywood rebound marriages.
Coming in at number 14 are the Bunny and the Baller. Over the next few months, there were reports that the marriage was on and off again. Almost 5 months later, in April 1999, the union that started in Vegas ended. According to the Orange County Register, a statement from a PR firm announced an amicable divorce.
Speaking from a professional point of view, I think for a marriage to last, the height difference shouldn't be more than 5 inches.
Despite a mutual appreciation for women's fashion, this relationship couldn't make it into overtime. The King's Daughter and a Hollywood scion reign at number 7. It's the short marriage of Lisa Marie Presley and Nicolas Cage. But 3.5 months later, in November 2002, the marriage ended. The union proved even shorter than Presley's 20-month marriage to Michael Jackson almost a decade earlier.
Here's a tip from a divorce lawyer. What's exciting and passionate in the beginning may not be good for a long-lasting marriage.
It's another case of did they or didn't they. Number 4 on the countdown is Colin Farrell's non-legally binding but still troubled Tahitian union. In July 2001, the Irish stud stood on a beach in Bora Bora for a tribal ceremony linking him to actress Amelia Warner.
They were married in Bora Bora. It wasn't legal. In California, it doesn't have to be this public ceremony, but it does have to fit the requirements of the law to be a valid marriage.
Colin tattooed her nickname, Millie, on his ring finger. Romantic? Yes. A bit optimistic? Definitely. Number 2 on our countdown is an oldie but goodie. According to Entertainment Weekly, the young actress was engaged in lesbian relationships during the Roaring '20s.
Jean was rumored to be a lesbian, which under California law should be fraud enough to annul the marriage, because the fraud has to go to the essence of the marriage.
Taking many by surprise, reports would later surface that Valentino himself was bisexual, shaking the notion of what's hot in Hollywood.